Imagine living without sight. Where everything is dark and unknown. Imagine being always afraid to identify incorrect directions.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أنا أسماء عبد الرحمن، تخصصي علم اجتماع، أدرس في جامعة قطر. طبعاً جامعة قطر مثل ما كلنا نعرف واسعة وكبيرة، وأنا طبيعتي كطالبة مكفوفة لحد الحين أحتاج يعني شخص معين، شخص مبصر إنه يكون معي، بحيث إن أنا أقدر أتنقل بين المباني يعني براحة وأوصل لمحاضراتي. الكفيف من حقه يكون مثل أي شخص عادي إنه يمشي بروحه، يمشي مستقل بنفسه بذاته، ومن حقه يحس إنه يعني يمشي بدون ما يخاف.
What if the only way to move around depends on the hearing sense? But what if the surrounding environment was silent? Imagine if we can utilize technology to save 39 million blind individuals all around the world. What if there was a device that would use the blind's strongest sense to illustrate the surroundings using sound? We would like to present our solution, 3D Kindio, which stands for 3D Sound, Connect, and Audio. 3D Kindio identifies the directions, the distances, and the places around the blind individual. The equipments used are Xbox Kinect, a 12-volt rechargeable battery, headphones, and a laptop with 3D Kindio software. Our software tools are Microsoft Windows 8, Microsoft .NET Framework, Microsoft Visual Studio, Cinder Library, Windows Platform SDK, Microsoft DirectX SDK, QuickTime SDK, Kinect SDK, Fmode Library, and AR Toolkit. As an overview for the system, the inputs are the objects around the blind and the customized tags by our team. The system would process this information and produce the corresponding sounds.
Room 101. Engineering Building, Rooms 101 to 103 to the right, Rooms 104 to 106 to the left.
In this scenario, the tag has been detected by 3D Kindio and the corresponding information was produced. While in this scenario, the distance of the object has been captured by the depth camera of Kinect. And 3D Kindio generated the sound with a frequency related to how close the object is to the blind. And here, 3D sound was produced to indicate the exact location of the surrounding objects. The depth camera of Kinect is used with the Point-and-Cloud application provided by Kinect SDK. It gives the location of the object and sends it to the 3D sound engine. The 3D sound engine will play a sound corresponding to the distance and the direction of the object. The RGB camera of Kinect detects the tags, and using augmented reality tool, the tag will be translated into useful information.
Room 101.
"3D Kindio depends only on the hearing sense, which is the blind's strongest sense. It is powerful and compact since it uses both the RGB and the depth cameras. It is a simple solution since it depends on two simple technologies, which are the 3D sound and the augmented reality. It doesn't require any extra hardware since it doesn't need anything but the Kinect camera and the computer to run the software. As we're going to see in the demonstration, 3D Kindio is lightweight, portable, and fashion-forward.
Room 101. Technology Lanterns Meeting Room. Room 108. Dr. Osama's office. Engineering building, rooms 101 to 103 to the right, rooms 10. Vending machine.
Yes! Woo!
Room 103.
Of course, other solutions were developed for visual impairment. However, most of these solutions are based on robot-based guidance and intelligent cane with sensors. But they are not for crowded places or irregular grounds, and they are very expensive. They need power supply and maintenance. Our solution is inexpensive. It uses available technology. It is suitable everywhere and provides natural feedback. All the needed information are in one device. We are working on adding a new feature to 3D Kindio to detect the shape of the object in the scene using computer vision. Also, planning to reduce the 3D Kindio weight by disassembling the Kinect boards. Moreover, providing control buttons embedded in the jacket would make using the device much easier. It would be better to develop 3D Kindio software for mobile phones as they are more portable. First, we will present our idea to institutions that care about solving visual impairment problems. We will present it by emphasizing on the uniqueness of the product and the amount of exposure it will give. After we get the support from these institutions, we will develop the first generation of 3D Kindio and make it available to the individuals, only for testing, in order to get the feedback for more improvement. After we get the feedback, we will present 3D Kindio to companies to get sponsorship and develop the final product. The profit will be used to improve 3D Kindio and introduce new versions.
على اليمين قدامي بس بعيد شوي على اليسار. طبعا اختراع مثل هذا أنا جدا حبيته وجدا أشجع فكرة إنشاءه وتطبيقه، وأتمنى أنه يتطبق عن قريب، لأن اختراع مثل هذا استخدمناه كمكفوفين راح يكفل لنا كثير من الحريات. إن شاء الله يتطبق ونقدر نستخدمه.